1. Hook overlearning cloud tools can waste your time and money. Let's break down the common traps beginners fall into and how you can avoid them. 2. The real problem: many beginners dive into cloud tools with enthusiasm, but end up overwhelmed. It can lead to burnout and delay your progress. 3. The simple explanation: cloud tools are powerful but complex. They offer a myriad of features, and it's easy to get sidetracked. Instead of learning everything, focus on what you need. What are my immediate goals? What tools directly support these goals? By narrowing your focus, you can master the essential features first and expand your knowledge as needed. This targeted approach saves time and helps you remain productive. 4. Real-world example: let's talk about a startup, Tech Launch. They wanted to build a scalable web application using AWS. The team was small, only 5 engineers. Excited by the range of AWS services, they spent 2 months learning everything from EC2 to Lambda to S3. They dedicated countless hours to mastering advanced features like auto-scaling and serverless architecture. However, they overlooked essential aspects like cost management. Their first month's bill was $3,000 because they failed to set spending alerts. They also faced delays because they spent too much time learning complex services instead of focusing on their core application. In the end, TechLaunch launched late and over budget. If they had focused on just EC2 and RDS to get started, they could have launched in weeks, not months, and saved thousands. 5. What to do instead: define your project scope, identify your primary goals, write down the features you need. Limit your focus to 2 to 3 cloud tools that align with these goals. Choose the right tools, research tools that fulfill your needs. Look for tools with good documentation and community support. Aim for tools that integrate well with each other. Learn the essentials, start with the core features of your chosen tools. Use online tutorials or courses focused on practical applications. Spend no more than 1 to 2 weeks on this initial learning phase. Implement and iterate, build a minimum viable product using the tools. Focus on functionality over perfection. Gather feedback and iterate based on real use cases. Expand knowledge as needed. After launching, identify gaps in your knowledge. Learn advanced features only when necessary. Set aside regular time for skill improvement, but keep it focused. 6. Common mistakes: trying to learn everything at once. How to avoid: stick to a 2 to 3 tool focus. Master the basics before diving deeper. Ignoring documentation and community forums. How to avoid: always check the official docs and relevant forums first for solutions. They can save you hours of frustration. Not setting cost alerts. How to avoid: use cost management tools to set alerts. For AWS, set a budget alert to notify you when you hit 80% of your budget. Overcomplicating solutions. How to avoid: start simple. Choose straightforward architectures. Avoid unnecessary complexity until your project demands it. Delaying deployment. How to avoid: launch an MVP. Get it in front of users quickly. Iterate based on real feedback rather than theoretical perfection. 7. Quick checklist: define your project scope clearly. Choose 2 to 3 cloud tools. Learn core features only. Implement an MVP quickly. Continuously gather feedback and iterate. 8. Summary plus CTA: overlearning cloud tools can slow your progress and inflate costs. Focus on what you need, learn the essentials, and implement quickly. Avoid common pitfalls by sticking to a simple framework. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment about your cloud learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech insights. Let's keep learning together. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or checklist, comment demo. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes lessons.